Welcome back to Chronicles of a Media Marketer. If you're new to the channel, I'm Sandra Carlisle, your media marketer. This is my channel where we discuss every bit of marketing I think is relevant and on point to your situation. Today, we're exploring the silent lead killer for contractors. Why most contractors lose business and how to fix that in under 10 minutes. So if you think skill alone gets you business, think again. Every year, contractors lose business, not because of quality, but because of leads that slip through the cracks without them even knowing it. Today, I'm exploring the number one way contractors and tradesmen lose leads and discussing how you can fix that in under 10 minutes. It's not bad clients or high competition or even your pricing. It is that most contractors don't follow up fast enough or at all. That missed call, ignored email, or buried quote means lost business every single day. Meet Jason, a talented tradesman here in southeastern Pennsylvania. Jason thought that his reputation alone would keep the referrals coming on in, but he noticed a drop in his bookings, even as his ads and reviews piled up. So one evening, Jason was meeting with a contractor friend who had a strong social media presence and a strong following. His friend asked him, "How quickly do you call your leads back?" Turns out that Jason was responding within hours, sometimes days, thinking that the client would wait. But his friend shared a crucial stat. If you call back within 5 minutes of getting that referral, you're 20 times more likely to get that job. Skeptical, Jason set a timer. Every new inquiry got a reply within 10 minutes. Instantly, his closing rate jumped. The new client said, "You were the only one who called right away. And I felt confident that you would be responsible and respondent to the job and our vision and what we needed from a contractor." So, being smart, Jason added SMS alerts and a simple template to automate his responses. Within weeks, not only did he stop losing leads, he started booking jobs that his slower competitors missed out on. So let me just say this. This is not just theory. Top competitors with million-dollar audiences have confirmed this again and again. In the contracting world, the fastest responder gets the most work. No matter how good the other quotes are, you have the first out of the gate advantage. So here's what I need you to do if you want the same kind of results. Set up instant notification for new leads, either text, email, or chat. Have a ready response template. Something like, "Hi," whatever their name is, "just picked up your request about whatever that project would be. When are you hoping to get started?" Simple, right? Their name, saying hello, asking about their project, and then asking about their time frame. That's it. Call back within 5 minutes of the new inquiry, even if it's just to schedule a longer conversation at a later date. Log every contact attempt and never lose a lead in that shuffle. And most of all, remember, speed matters more than perfection. Contractors winning the most business aren't always the ones who are the cheapest or the flashiest. They are the most responsive. Fix your follow-up process today and watch most leads turn into loyal customers. If you're ready for your phones to start ringing and your calendar to book out, subscribe for more hard-earned marketing wisdom for tradesmen and contractors. In my next episode, I'm going to reveal the secrets in turning those leads into raving fans. And for me, Sandra Carlisle, as always, thanks for listening and thank you for being here. I'll see you again soon.